left a good job in the city, working for the man every night and day. Then I never saw the good side of the city till I hitched a ride on the riverboat Queen. Big wheels keep on turning, proud Mary keep on burning. Rolling, 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 rolling on the river. Washed a lot of plates in Memphis, pumped a lot of pain down in New Orleans. And I never saw the good side of the city till I hitched a ride on the riverboat Queen. Big wheels keep on turning, proud Mary keep on burning. Rolling, 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 rolling on the river.
Where are the grown-ups in this mad situation? Call in the cavalry, save this sorry nation. Scary things, pulling strings, messing with everything. All around there is frustration. Why can't we have a conversation? Used to be civility in our civilization. What happened to honesty in our communications? Hidden motives, hidden ploys, they're playing with us like toys. Why can't we carve a conversation? Why can't we have a conversation? How do we get out of this situation? Why can't we have a conversation? Maybe we should gather round on some common ground. We should gather round on some common ground. We should gather round.
Well, I'll keep on moving, moving on. Things are bound to be improving these days. One of these days. These days I sit on cornerstones and count the time in quarter tones till 10. Don't confront me with my failures. I have not forgotten them. Thank you. These days.
I call you when I need you, my heart's on fire. You come to me wild and wired. You come to me, give me everything I need. Give me a lifetime of promises and a world full of dreams. Speak the language of love like you know what it means. And it can't be wrong. Take my heart and make it strong. You're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone. Anyone I've ever met. And I'm stuck on your heart. I'll hang on every word you say. Tear us apart.
Well, I'm looking out my window. The world is such a mess. All this pain and suffering puts my faith right to the test. So I pick up my guitar and I look up to the sky, and I'm asking the Almighty, see, I gotta ask him why the world has gotten out of sync. What's he gonna do? This is what I think. God Almighty's got the blues. Well, you'll read it in the papers, see it on the news. People quick to judge you without walking in your shoes. Did you ever stop to wonder the way the world could be? If nothing made you wealthy, there would be no poverty. The world has gotten out of sync. What's he gonna do? This is what I think. God Almighty's got the blues.